Good morning, sir. Good morning to all the viewers. So now, this is what my final project look like. So first, the name of my project is inventory list. So it is from the demo of user that you sent to us. So the name of it is inventory list. Then this is how to run the system or the web app. So first, open it on any editor like Visual Studio Code. Then so here now is your type by Python the API Python manage dot by Python manage dot by, then hit space run server, then hit enter, then wait for a second, then here. So below, as you can see, there is a link starting development user at HTTP. So that link is what you will click. HTTP. So click the link 127.0.0.1. Then if you click that link, we will go directly to here, inventory management system. So now we will go to admin panel. Click the admin panel. Then I open it lately, so it is still open. So now we go to the logout button. So log out na. Then we're going to log in again. So type the username. The user is for test, so the username is admin. Then password is password. Then hit enter. Then when you go enter, so you can see that we are here in the site administration. So here you can see the group, user, then ay mga plus, sign sa gilid, then here the inventories, suppliers. So now X, then we're going to add an inventory. So click users muna. So username, this page like username is where you can input a username and password, so that the one that you will give the username and password, they can access the system. So you can also manage this inventory system. Then here is click the inventory. Then nako nabuhat last try sa ato ning delete sure. Then we are going to add new inventory, so we print it product product 1. Then for the description, so product first, product I'll test this first naman. Then for the note, we'll have a product is for test. Then after that, we'll go to how many stocks you want to add. So stocks you want to add, I will put it 10. Then go to the supplier. Then I will click the name of the supplier. So supplier 1, because that's our first supplier and this is a sample. Then after that, let's click save. Then save. Then click the product 1. Then let's add another product. So let's add a product 2. Then the description is product 2 yapon. Then the note is also product 2. Then we will import a stock of 15. Then supplier is, you don't forget to click supplier. So if it's error supplier, you will put a here supply 1. Then after supply 1, click save. You click save, so we can see here that it has a 2 supply. We click the supplier, so you can see supplier, we have 2 suppliers, so supplier 1 and supply 1. That's our test name for our suppliers. So next is add supplier. Where add supplier is supply, main supplier. Then as you can see, we already have 3 suppliers. Main supplier, supplier 1 and supply 1. So that's the name of our supplier. Then we now add an inventory. When you add inventory, we have to, I will name it as main product. Then for the note, description is main product main. Then for the note is, this is the main product. Then we add stocks of 20 stocks. Then the supplier is main supplier. Then as you can see, here is the 3 inventory items that we put in the inventory of our inventory. So the main product. So here's the product. Then let's change it to product main. Then add. So now you see it's product main, product 2, and product 1. Now if you want to delete it, so click the box button and then select delete the selection. Then now click product 2, product 1, then selected, then delete selected. Then now is ensure. After that is how we add product and add items to our inventory. So that's all for my Django on my web app using Django STEM. So I hope you like it and thank you.